Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Opposition leader Mark Golding says support Operation Get Every Illegal Gun program. The Police Federation vote and say them not take the government new wage offer. The Anatolia Police in a St. Mary charge 14 smaddy for go against the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA. Senegal win them first African Cup of Nation title after them beat Egypt 4-2 in a one penalty shootout. Now for the full tour of them. Opposition leader Mark Golding says support Operation Get Every Illegal Gun program. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say under this program here, anybody who tell the police which part gun there where people not have no license for can get between 250,000 to 500,000 based on the type of gun. The government has set up one $250 million fund for pay people under Operation Get Every Illegal Gun program. Golding said the program good for the country and every Jamaican in the country must support it. On top of that, Golding said him agree with the decision for carry the new firearm acts go to Parliament. Police Federation vote and say them not take the government new wage offer. 61% of them members vote and say them not take it. The Federation did meet with them members Friday gone to see if they must take the new wage and fringe benefit from the Ministry for Finance for the 2021-2022 financial year. The Federation said them did get the offer from last Monday. Before that, the Federation did say them not take the 4% wage offer where the government did want to give them. The Anatolia Police in a St. Mary charged 14 smaddy for go against the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA. Them get charged for now wear one mask in a public and because them now stay 6 feet apart from people and because them dip on the road after curfew hours. On top of that, one of the man them get charged for have one illegal weapon. The people them are go before the Anatolia Parish Court later this month. According to the police report, around one Sunday morning, one police team did an operation when them stopped 2 cars with people in there. The police said them a beg people for follow the curfew hours and wear them masks. People find one 44-year-old woman dead body near one cane field in a Linstead Saturday. The woman, a 44-year-old Nicola Sittal, who come from Cheesefield district in the parish. According to the report from the Linstead police, around 9 in the morning, people buck up Sittal's body near the road and call them. When them reach, them find her body face down and it look like she gets stabbed up. The police said them are looking at what one. The Major Investigation Division, MID, said them are looking at the killing at 2-man at Coronation Market on Darling Street in a Kingston Saturday. The dead people them are 50-year-old Carlton Armstrong, who are one shopkeeper who come from Bond Street, Kingston 14, and 21-year-old Orlando Tucker, who come from Freeman's Hall in a Albert Town, Trelawney. According to the police report, around 12:30 a.m., the 2 men did stand up in the market when gunman shot them up. People rushed to the man them go hospital where doctors said them dead. The police are looking at what one. Now for sports. Senegal win them first African Cup of Nation title after them beat Egypt 4-2 in a one penalty shootout. Sadio Mane scored the winning goal and this make up for the penalty where him did miss in the 7 minutes of the game. The final did done 0-0 after extra time. Senegal did lose in them last 2 African Cup finals. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.